Hi, this is John with One Lens 2, and today I'd like to show you some sample videos and pictures taken with my new Nikon Coolpix P1100 Super Zoom camera. But first, let's take a look at a super fast unboxing. There's the camera documentation. A bag with nothing in it. Weird. The P1100 Super Zoom camera. We'll get a closer look at that in a moment. A Nikon branded neck strap. A rechargeable Li-ion battery. The infamous USB-C cable. And a lens hood. Here's everything that was in the box. As far as I can tell, the P1100 camera body is the same as the P1000. In fact, here's my new P1100 sitting next to my old P1000. Other than a deleted decal on the lens barrel and the model name on top of the camera, you wouldn't know which one is which. Okay, let's go out and zoom in on some stuff. There's a hummingbird up there. Let's get a closer look. That's a much better view of a tiny bird on top of a big tree. I'm learning that birding is all about waiting for the shot. Yep, lots of waiting. Do you ever wonder what's at the top of those big antennas? Well, we have a P1100, so we're about to find out. I imagine that this is much easier than climbing up to the top to see what's up there. And here we are at the P1100's maximum optical focal length of 3,000 millimeters. Anyone want to get closer? I do. Here's a picture that I took with the P1100 set to a digital zoom of 2 times for an equivalent focal length of 6,000 millimeters. Still not close enough? This picture was taken with the P1100's in-camera digital magnification of 4 times, which is an equivalent focal length of 12,000 millimeters. Just as a reminder, the top of the antenna is way up there. It's difficult to see at a focal length of only 24 millimeters, but there's a municipal airport tower out there. To see the P1100's insane zoom range, let's put this wide-angle view up in the corner. Wow, look at the difference between the P1100's most wide-angle focal length and its most telephoto focal length. That's a magnification of 125 times. Look how close we are to these folks practicing their archery. Except we're not close to these folks practicing their archery. We're actually about 420 feet or 128 meters away. That's longer than the length of a football field. Here's the perfect view of the colorful lights on a Ferris wheel. Although, not to be a perfectionist, but I'm thinking we could improve this shot if we zoomed in just a tiny bit. That's better. But the lights in the Ferris wheel are overexposed. Now that's the view of the lights on the Ferris wheel I was looking for. I switched the P1100 to manual video mode and increased the shutter speed. Well, there you have it, my first test videos and pictures using the Nikon Coolpix P1100 Super Zoom camera. I'll be posting lots of P1100 videos going forward, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you'll be notified.